In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in Jira. Whether you're managing a project with a large team or just organizing your workflow, subtasks can be a crucial part of keeping everything on track. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Jira website. Once you're there, it's important to sign in to ensure you have access to all the necessary tools and projects. You'll need to click on Google to sign in using your Google account. Make sure to use the account that's connected to your Jira projects to avoid any access issues. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to your board, which you can easily find on the left panel of the dashboard. The board is where all your issues and projects are organized, and this is your main hub for managing tasks. Once on your board, locate the specific issue that you want to create a subtask for. Go ahead and click on that issue to open it up. With the issue open, you should see a plus icon located on the top left of the interface. This is your key to creating new items. Clicking on this icon will expand a menu with several options. From the drop-down, select Create Child Work Item. This is the feature you'll use to create a subtask, directly linking it to the main issue you're working on. Now that you're in the Create Child Work Item menu, you'll see a space to type in what needs to be done for this subtask. Think of this as the description of the subtask, where you can detail specific actions, goals, or requirements that need to be accomplished. When you're satisfied with your subtask's description, the final step is to hit the Create button. This action will officially add your subtask to the main issue, and you'll now see it listed as part of the larger task. This makes it easier to keep track of progress and ensure that smaller, detailed elements of a project are not overlooked. And there you have it. You've successfully created a subtask in Jira. Remember, subtasks are a powerful way to break down large projects into manageable pieces, making it easier to delegate work, set priorities, and track progress. With practice, managing your Jira projects will become second nature. Thanks for following along with us today, and keep an eye out for more helpful tips on optimizing your project management with Jira.